Well, my friends, just be ready with your cameras. We will dropping out here. Aquí, papito. Detrás de ese splitter, creo. Okay, here we will stop to take a picture of you. The lighting is so cute. But much closer to the border, right?
Yeah.
How is it?
Matelayin puvanaan ipavana an muntin oi an tramatam rap thakan kalpel na ate phei chuan mo hei tuna hian inca inca trail man lai ho inca lo omna mun hlui vel heng te hi i swapian hmakum sang thum to a an lo terrace an lo sak to an lo siam to. And just walk around. An avocado te chu lian me ya. Ato e khutu mel to. Love, let's go and have a look around. Purun, dania oi broccoli to chulian look to cool. By meme. Chili habanero. Custard apple. Hey, yes. Hey, they move. We have to follow them. Oi, ancham ten zuar. Ancham. Where are they going?
I think we're going to end up in a place where we eat.
Eat weed? Comer.
I think they're going to end up at the place where we eat.
I want to buy one of those hats. I was wondering where I was going.
Long line, no? From the boot here.
Don't step in the shit, love. Don't
Huh?
step. Oi.
Did I?
Yes, you did.
Ew.
take picture?
Oh, lama.
Rufina? Finita?
You want?
I get one. Do you want to share it?
No, I don't want.
When are we going to get a chance?
Damien, the fellow
Fresh
up there said
empanada.
This is an ancient oven. This is very ancient.
¿Cuánto, señor?
5.
5. Okay, una, por favor.
Gracias.
Sí, gracias.
Una más.
Uno más.
¿Este es con carne o?
Con queso, cebolla, tomate, orégano.
Ah, okay. It's onion,
Cheese, tomatoes.
cheese and tomato.
¿Uno más?
No, gracias.
So,
yeah.
buena. Hay carne también.
Yo, ¿cómo se dice? Mi estómago enferma.
Germa. ¿De qué país?
Deli belly.
De la India.
De la India.
Oh, baby. Tuna hianin in untraditional market kan loma mizo patran ne nei nang te ni antili mizo thil nen ka ipte po hi tuna hian ipte che ka hi an mani siam helam pang chua ko mon ti chok
Pa, ¿me compras este? Ah, no, sí.
Oh, minchia, ma sei allucinante.
history is to be different name. The name was Wairak Punku. Wairak means wind, Punku the gate. Why that name? Because Ollantay Tambo is the place where it's so windy point. There are two valleys where it's flowing blowing a lot of wind, and that's why it's so windy, very windy. So for that reason, the Inca is very smart, decided to build a lot of storage rooms or granaries there over the mountainsides. As soon as we will arrive there, I will show you those granaries in the middle part of the mountains, many of them. After that tour, let me dropping some of friends at the train station. You, my dear friends, can explore it, some of them, and you know, Ollantay Town. Just to don't be boring. That is open until 4:30 p.m. 4:30 p.m. open, and then you can go down to maybe to take some coffee in the main square or to drink something until 6 maybe, and then walk into the train station. Take no more than 10 minutes slowly. You are talking about a lot, maybe 12 minutes. Yes. Well, we are closer to Ollantay Town. 2:30, ¿no? Uy, mire ese hijo, cómo bota la suela. Pucha madre.